What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be checking out ReVamp. I think that's how you pronounce it. I believe someone told me this is one of the bands that Floor was in before Nightwish, so that is pretty exciting to check out because I'm becoming a real fan of hers. And we are doing Disdain live at Grasspop 2010. Interesting. So yeah, super excited. If you guys have any requests and you want me to do them right away, I do have a Patreon page, and that link is down in the description below. You don't have to check it out, that's fine. Whatever you guys feel like doing. So let's get right into this. I'm super excited to see what she sounds like, without Nightwish. So let's check it out. Here we go.
Well, that was the ballad, obviously. Are you ready for something more heavy? Grasspop?
Different
Was
hair
that a
color
yes?
from last time.
I can't hear you.
Looks different.
Fucking hell, it's hot up here. Are you ready for our next song?
Yes.
And you guys, are you ready for our next song? And you guys, ready? Let's go. Disdain!
Okay. Heels on.
Your day became like fear to me. Your death that waits to set you free. Disdain.
Now my nightmares proclaim I don't know what to believe. It's a cruel twist of life, yet my rage can't be found. Irritating how I'm forced to become. Seeing your pain, it kills me. Losing you now.
You don't know how much I enjoyed that. Like, that was so awesome. Yes. Just yes. You know? All of that was amazing. Oh, I loved it so much. It was so good. Oh, I'm so glad that I watched that. And thank you to the person that suggested it. I can't remember who he was, but yes, thank you. Because that was absolutely amazing. I will be checking more of them out, most definitely. If you guys got some ones you guys like, throw those down in the description. No, down in the comment section. That would be awesome. I read all the comments, so, you know, throw anything down there. I don't care. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day, so you might as well do it. So until next time, I'm getting out of here. I'll catch you guys later.